This is the official boxing of DJI Spark. I'm really excited to unbox it. It is the most underrated drone in just $659. Let's unbox it. This is the warranty card. This is the documentation. Oh, इतनी ज़्यादा मैं तो नहीं पढ़ूंगा भाई, इतना कौन पढ़ेगा। और I guess this is the case of DJI drone. इसको हम आखिर में खोलते हैं। बैग, ये बैग है. This is a hand bag to carry your Spark with its propellers, extra propellers, controller. Sorry, this is the controller. Propeller guards. There are four propeller guards. Charger. अब वक्त आया है हम अपना स्पार्क देखें. This is the beautiful smallest drone we have now from DJI. This is a Spark with 2 battery packs. This box is for DJI Spark Fly Mode Combo. So it's not only DJI Spark. Fly Mode Combo comes with DJI Spark's controller, 2 extra batteries, 4 propeller guards, extra propellers, and there's a charger for batteries. Charger, you can charge 3 batteries at a time with this charger. शराब तो नहीं गया. अच्छा, now this is our DJI. There's a gimbal in its camera. ये आप देखें. Nice.